we want this reset pin to have this tag switch, and so we want this to be bigger than this. Just bring it all to here, and this as well. Copy and paste this with holding shift. We can change it to here. That's now okay. Let's just change this and bring it all way to here. It's okay. What we want to do, we want to have this reset pin. Let's see, reset pin, reset module. It doesn't say it's let's just see if this is saying if it's active low or active high. It doesn't say, I think. Let's just pull up it and use. Let's just click here, here, here with holding shift. We can copy and paste select all of these and copy it and paste it here. So this is for reset. I think that's okay. Let's just connect it now and delete this and connect it to here, because we have 3.3 here as well. So, and this is so much important. Please just place this here, ESP reset, so you can use it. It may be better to let's just change this to here and make it better in here, and put a capacitor here. Maybe it will be a good idea. Let's just go to my new library and search for cap. Use this cap, and I think that will be good. So every noise that coming to reset will be filtered by this. Let's just bring it up, bring this all up. Bring this up and click all of this, and just take all of this here. And now let's just use this and connect it properly. That's good. And connect this to ground. Let's copy and paste this ground. That's now okay. So now we have a reset that we can reset it with this MCU. Maybe we want to reset, maybe we want a watchdog in this MCU and reset this by this reset pin like watchdog. So let's just copy and paste this here to here, and says reset button. Of course it can see it, but it may be good to put this here and